Okay, I think it's definitely time. I'm going to try to make this as short as possible. This is a personal, heartfelt thank you for Rabbi Eli Stefanski. Shlita. What happened? So today is Sunday Parshas Kisuvoi, and 98 days ago was Bove Metzia Daf Tzadik Ches. And the reason I remember the day, the daf, is because when we filmed What a Day with Rebelli, he mentioned that they started Avodah Zarah Daf Chav Ches. Doesn't matter where you start. So I decided to start a 30-day challenge, which I had no idea that it's going to take me all the way here. I must say it's probably the first time in my life I've been learning so long Gemurah every day in one at once. In ein Tzi sagt man auf Yiddish. I don't know how to translate that. What else hit me over here? I'm not going to use the cliche sentence that everybody uses at MDY daily. It changed my life. It changed my life. Obviously, it changed my life. But what I want to say is that I was very, very not into Gemurah. Unfortunately, I never liked it. I never connected to it. And to this day, I still, every day, come to the Shia for the emails and stay for the daf. But I stayed for the daf every day for the last 98 days. And the reason I did not want to wait for the 100th day to put the title 100 Days of Learning DAF YOMI is, again, because I've been pushing off this video for so long, and just like you start the daf today, you do the video today. So this is a heartfelt thank you. I owe a tremendous akuras atov for Rebelli and the entire staff, and a big yasher koyach. It cannot fit into a video the emotions and the gratitude. And I made a cheshbon to myself, even if I would sit from Yeshiva Ktana till now, every day and sit and learn, I don't think I would be the same amount of Gemurah learning as we influenced with this video. Baruch Hashem, what I was zoicha to influence so many people with this Rebelli's video. Probably from all my videos, and no offense to all the other people that I've done campaigns or What a Days, this was for Torah. This wasn't for money, and this wasn't for business. This was for Torah, and we, Baruch Hashem, was zoicha to recruit many people. I just went to a Mincha Maariv last week in local Bas Medrash. A guy with a long white beard comes over to me, tells me he has to talk to me after Mincha. Okay, I'll wait for you after Mincha. Why? I thought maybe he wants money. And he comes and he shows me on his phone that every time he needs chizik, he says he watched this episode already more than 5 times, and every time he needs chizik, he goes to random, wherever he's up to in the video, he just watches it and gets like 10 minutes of chizik for going vater and learning, and he keeps going. Rebelli mentions a lot in his shiurim that it goes to a lot of different areas in your life. Not only the daf itself elevates me, it elevated me as a yid, especially in the rochniisdige life, in many areas, especially in learning. And I'm grateful and thankful to be here today, and hopefully, maybe be by the Shabbaton and Me'etz Hashem, but hopefully be Messiah Shas. Now I can see this, even as a far dream, but now I can see it as a thing that might happen in my life. And for many years, I didn't even see it as a chance, as a possibility. And this video can go on forever. I just want to say thank you again, Rebelli, and may Hashem give you koyach to continue on and bring many more Yidden like me and more to learn. It's not about the daf, it's about the Yomi. L'chaim.